Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general combined reading for Earth sign viewers. So, basically, this reading is going to be for Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Earth sign viewers, I'm going to see your partner's energy in this reading, your energies in this reading, and the current mutual energy, okay, and the future potential of your relationship. Along with that, I'm also going to see the angel messages for you, okay. What is happening with you? Earth sign viewer, what is happening with you? Your person is in observing energy, and you are feeling heartbroken. Okay. Okay. Future is really bright for you, Earth sign viewers. Okay, before starting this reading, let me just clarify why this Hermit is here and why this Three of Swords is here. Something has happened between you and your person in the past, okay, Earth sign viewers, okay. And it could be happen for some of you that there was a very big fight between you and your person in the past, okay. Now your person is kind of very much sad, and I mean they are not sad, okay. They are, I mean, you guys you are dealing with some Virgo, so Virgo people analyze things very thoroughly. Virgo people observe each and everything. So your person is not sad, but they are really silent, and if they are silent, don't think that they are silent. Then if they are not talking to you, it doesn't mean that they are not thinking about you. It means that they are observing your behavior. It means they are analyzing your behavior, okay. Now they have stepped back, okay, but they are analyzing you. They are analyzing your each and every action, okay. You are dealing with with a Virgo with this Hermit card. That's what I'm feeling, okay. You had a really big fight with your person, okay. Your person is not talking to you right now. Your person is not saying anything to you right now, okay. And that fight has I mean, you felt heartbroken with that fight, okay. You felt that I mean, you feel that your person is your happiness. You see your bright day in your person. You see complete happiness in your person, but your person is kind of very much they are not sad. I mean, they are not sad. Let me repeat this thing one more time. Your person is not sad. They are silent, but they are observing you. Please remember this thing, okay. So with this Five of Swords, when the fight was going on, you felt heartbroken, although you feel a complete happiness with your person with this Sun card, okay. So that is your energy right now. The current situation of this energy is Two of Pentacles, okay. Earlier there was a lot of juggling thing was going on in this relationship for you and your person, Earth sign, okay. Both of you were juggling in certain things. It could happen for you both of you were juggling in professional life and personal life. Now that juggling thing has been over, you guys are on you guys are focusing on one thing at a time, okay. Although there is love is there in your mind for each other, but now both of you don't want to juggle into personal and professional life, and I feel that both of you has shifted your focus into your work, okay. The future potential is definitely going to be really good, because as I said, you feel happy You feel happiness with your person, you see your person as a only source of happiness in your life. Okay, so I'm feeling this four of wand is about to happen for you. It could also happen for some of you that your person is has made up their mind towards you. Okay, it could also happen that it was your person who was juggling a lot between you and some other thing. Now they have gained clarity, and this four of wand energy is saying to me that something big and beautiful is about to happen for you in coming time. It could happen that your person is come forward, your person will come forward and offer you something big in this relationship. For some of you, it could also happen that your person is going to propose you in coming time. Okay, and I'm also feeling that whatever you have manifested in this life, okay, or your person manifested something, if they have manifested something in their life, that thing is going to achieve. You both of you are going to achieve that thing which you have manifested together. Okay, it could be your marriage also. So I'm seeing a great chances of marriage also in this reading. Now let's take the divine messages for my earth sign viewers. Divine messages. Okay, within the next few weeks, divine is telling you that your person is definitely going to take action or certain action towards you within the next few weeks, but you need to believe in divine timing. Right now it is not the right time, this is not the right time. Okay, but within the new few weeks, your person is definitely going to take something big and some big action towards you. I feel at this four of wand energy. Okay, they are definitely going to propose you, but you need to believe in divine timings. Okay, all you need to do is believe. If you believe, you will achieve. But as of now, this is not the right time. Okay, so you need to be patient. Okay, so that was the reading for my earth sign viewers. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.